Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how to turn on guest user on a Mac. So first, click on this little Apple icon. Select System Settings. First, you will land on this general page. Look for Users and Groups. This is it. And here you will see your current users on this Mac. And below Guest User, you will see it turned off. Now to turn it on, click on this little eye icon. A new window pops up. Here, next to allow guests to log into this computer, enable this feature. Make sure to fill in your password and hit unlock. By enabling the guest user or enable the guest user so that friends can temporarily log into your computer, log in and also log in the guest account does not require a password, and users cannot log into the guest account remotely. If firewall is turned on, guest users can only access Safari. Now click on OK. As you see, login next. Now instead of off, it says instead of off, it says login only. Now to switch to the guest user, click on this little Apple icon and log out of your current profile, and you will see a guest user login page like this. Same thing when you start up or when you turn on your computer, you will see the guest user icon from here like this. And this is how to turn on guest user on a Mac. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.